Profluid is a valve specialist company which has been established in 2018. We now operate a fully equipped workshop in Wangara, north of Perth. Profluid is a one-stop shop for industrial valves needs. We package valves for our customers from worldwide renowned manufacturers. We also provide after-sales services such as repairs, overhaul, pressure testing, calibration of safety valves. We send our technicians out for commissioning, troubleshooting, and provide a full support throughout the life of the product.
Profluid's values have been built on honesty, integrity, quality, and trust with our customers and suppliers.
We very much try to balance our portfolio of customers between regional customers in WA, interstate customers, but also overseas. Profluid is very keen to explore further opportunities on the defense and shipbuilding, as well as supporting our loyal oil and gas, mineral processing, and chemical customers.
We just got our ISO accreditation, and we actually just embarked on our NATO accreditation. We recently got our DISP certificates to make sure that we are defence ready for any defence projects. We have our cybersecurity systems brought up to relevant standards, and I've actually had the relevant security clearance training to become the security officer for Profluid.
Profluid is a WA owned and operated business and family run. We try to attract new talent not by their resume but more by their can-do attitude, which is important to us. We try to take care of our employees as much as we can, and that includes obviously the health and safety of our employees in the workplace. We try to make the atmosphere very enjoyable here, and all of our employees are working together as a team.
Because it's a family-based business, we're actually a very close team, and that's very important for me. The future of Profluid is looking very exciting. I'm happy to see the company is growing, and I'm actually excited to be a part of it.
Profluid is a small, medium-sized company, which makes us very agile in dealing with our customers' expectations. We are seen as very professional in the way we're dealing and interacting with customers. The level of service we provide is of the utmost importance to us, and even so we are a small team, we try to give the highest output to our customers.